I'm standing outside my window. 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 I was standing outside waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name.
Hey friends, welcome back, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. My name is Sydney, and I am so happy you stopped by. I feel like it's been a long while since I have shared a motivating cleaning video, so I hope you guys enjoy and get inspired to clean along with me, even if it's to tidy up a corner or an area in your home that you have been putting off. This is a duration of a few days from a few weeks ago before going on our beach trip. And I wanted our home to be tidy when we came back, so I tackled as much as I could. And let me tell you, it was definitely worth it. If you guys enjoy watching these types of videos, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you are new, I hope you decide to stay and subscribe. I would love to have you be a part of my family here. So definitely don't forget to say hi down below and introduce yourself. Let me know where you are watching from. With all of that being said, let's get started.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
So I knew I wanted to tackle the bathrooms to start off because, as you all can see, it was definitely overdue. I have mentioned numerous times in my cleaning videos that cleaning the bathrooms is definitely my least favorite chore, but I knew I had to get it done before our trip because they were just getting so bad and honestly a little embarrassing if we had any company. I probably would have been embarrassed to show the state of both of these bathrooms. I am just so happy that I got it done and tackled it. So now I'm moving on to my boys' room. I knew this was a room I wanted to get to because it had been getting a little messy and just had random things everywhere. And I also needed to wash their sheets. I figured I'd just get it done once and for all. If you are new here, I am a stay-at-home mom of twin 5-year-old boys, a 19-month-old boy, and am currently pregnant with our 4th and last baby. I did recently add Liam's bed in here and did plan on sharing a video, but I wasn't feeling too good, so I ended up watching that video completely. We haven't really transitioned Liam in here yet, but I definitely want to before I get further along into my pregnancy and just start getting uncomfortable. So we have been bed sharing. It's just been working for us with him, and I think we may do that with our 4th baby. We'll see how it turns out, but either way, I definitely want to transition him sooner rather than later. So if you have any tips, please send them my way. I'm just making the bed and making it all nice and cute and presentable, even though no one is sleeping on here.
You interrupt me and I interrupt you. A shame. When did we start losing and stop giving? I remember I gave it time. I love my time. Now my mind's lost in its thoughts. I want you want only you. But my heart's all tied up in knots. Wanna release it. 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 Wanna release. Wanna release. Wanna release. Wanna release it. Do you remember when we carefully picked our words? So humble. Now it's like we don't care about what's coming out of our mouths. I'm sorry. I gave it time. I love my time. Now my mind's lost in its thoughts. I want you want only you. But my heart's all tied up in knots. Wanna release it. 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 So we jumped, falling fast. Said till we die, I'm gonna be there with you. So we jumped, side by side, unafraid of what we can. Wanna release it. Wanna release it. Wanna release it. Wanna release it. Why did I stay? I should be leaving. Hear what I say without even speaking. My compass is off. Why did I choose you? I'm just too lost. I need to cut loose. I keep it in my head. I keep it locked away. My friends think that this is over. Guess it's the price I pay. Played with the enemy. Now I got you on my shoulders. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me.
So this was later that night. Once the boys were asleep, I had decided to finish off with cleaning the kitchen and dining area because we were actually leaving the following morning to the beach and had to wake up super early, so I knew I wouldn't have time to clean in the morning. So if you have made it this far into my video, be sure to leave a thumbs up. It just lets me know you guys enjoy the content that I'm posting, and it also tells YouTube that you guys want to see more of these videos and pushes it out to more viewers. But of course, I truly appreciate you guys who continue to watch and support me on here.
Let go and let me. Let me love. Let me. Let go and let me love again. Let go and let me. Let me love. Let me. Let go and let me. Let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me. Let me love. Let me. Let go and let me. Let me love. Let me love again. Let me. Let me love. Let me. Let me. Let go and let me. Let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me. Let me love. Let me. Let me. Let go and let me. Let me love. Let me love again. Let me love again.
Let me love again.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chase. I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive.